Free insider tip for scaling your Facebook ads. Hi, my name is Regitze from Greatest Marketing Agency. So when you're scaling your Facebook ads, there's basically two ways of doing it. There's a horizontal way where you're basically just increasing the budget. You have an ad that works and then you're just increasing the budget. So that's like the skyscraper method. Then there's horizontal scaling where you have a working ad and you're duplicating it usually to either the same audience or to different audiences. But if you do it to the same audience, then you'll have audience overlap that can give some problems. And if you're doing it to other audiences, then you need to be testing that they work. So basically, a horizontal scaling is the best. But you should only do it by maximum 20% per week. So you have the ad budget that you have now, like if it's $100 per day, you shouldn't scale it more than $120, up to $120, and then leave it alone for a whole week so the ad and the algorithm can optimize again. If you stay under the 20% scaling rule, the ad shouldn't go into the learning phase again. But the insider tip that I heard from Facebook itself is that it's better if you want to do this, that you do it on a Monday, because the algorithm has some kind of reset on Mondays. So if you do your scaling on Monday also, then it works better. So yeah, I hope this was helpful. Give me a like if you like it, subscribe for more, share it with anybody who could find it useful also, and comment below if you have any questions. And if you want help with getting clients, if you're a coach or consultant, then we specialize in getting clients for coaches and consultants. Right now we have a special offer where you only pay us when you get a paying client. So to learn more about that, then book a call with me, link in the description. Also, we have some free downloads. There's a free Facebook ad template down in the description. Go ahead and download that. Then we have an ebook, Mastering Social Media Strategies for Coaches and Consultants. Go ahead and download that. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.